Hello, Chef here with yet another video for you. I'm going to call this one Zucchini Magic. Here we go. First thing you want to do is remove the top and the bottom of the zucchini like this. This is the edible part. Sometimes, just because it's cool, we leave a little bit of this stem on there. Completely edible. Okay. So for this Zucchini Magic video here, I'm going to be using my mandolin slicer. I need to come up just a bit here. Like this. Here we go. I've got the mandolin open about 1/4 of an inch, and I'm going to be doing some slices like this here. Good idea. Plastic gloves are okay, but it's a good idea to put on this stainless steel glove. Full protection. Alright, here we go. Check the cut. That's what I'm looking for right there. Okay, that's about all I can get out of there. Okay, some nice pieces. Now we're gonna take these babies and we're gonna lay them out in a pan. You want to oil the pan first. Just a little bit of olive oil in the pan, like this. And then we're going to line these babies up in the pan just like this. Okay. Now at this point, we're going to put a little bit more olive oil, just a touch, drizzle. Okay. Spread it around good. And we're going to put a little bit of Cajun seasonings on here. Oh yeah. Not too much. Just a small amount like this. Okay. As well as some Himalayan sea salt. Yeah. Alright. Now we're going to bake this 375 degrees Fahrenheit until brown. Oh. You know what these gloves do, right? Just about nothing. You're still spreading germs. Just as much germs wearing these or not wearing these. The trick is wash your hands often. Okay? With that said, soap and water, wash, dry. Oh, that's the ticket right there. Okay, I've got some tomato here. We're going to do some thin slices. Really nice slices with that knife. Oh yeah. Okay, and here is what the baked zucchini slices look like. That's exactly what I'm looking for right there. Limp. Okay, we're gonna let them cool. Okay, so then we take one of these, two of these, three of these zucchinis. I'm going to add a scoop of tuna and roll it up. Toothpick optional. Got some baby greens here. Some awesome carrot curls. Okay. 1, 2, 3. As well as a little bit of this tomato for the garnish here. A little bit of smoked paprika to finish this off here. Touch more carrots, just for the effect. Right there. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Touch of balsamic reduction here. Like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Zucchini rolls with tuna salad. Helps other people find the video. Keep cooking and be cool.